Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we are doing like a iPod or iPhone, iPad adapter, and then we installing the media through the AM/FM, but we had to remove the cassette player. This is a Lexus GX470. So you guys know how to take it apart. If you guys don't know it, just look at the YouTube. Should be simple, but everything is about the same. So do you have a microphone or what?
Yeah.
You gonna mount the mic?
I don't think I'm gonna use it.
Okay.
But we'll plug it in and see.
So we removed the radio, the stock radio, and this is the cassette where the cassette sits in at. Right there. So after you remove it, you have to install this media mount. So I just pop the cover. Oh, let me see. Put it there real quick. So I just pop the back cover. I just pop the top cover with this flathead screw driver, and then open this up. And then there are 4 of the screws right here, Phillips screws. So after you unscrew those 4 screws, and all you need to do is just pull out straight. And then this bracket is going to mount through the cassette cover right here. Make sure this hum is on top though, okay? And then there's a padding right here. Oh, so dark. There's a padding you want to put it over here on the bottom side, so when you drive it doesn't rattle. Yeah, let me open this cover side through. So we need to insert this through the cassette cover. And then I'm going to match the mounting holes right there. And it comes with this washer. And you gotta use like an Allen wrench to tighten it up. And that's to mount what?
iPads or
Your
phones.
iPads or your iOS devices.
Anyways, you could put RAM mounts and stuff.
Oh. Damn, man. The lighting is so bad here.
Huh?
The light is so bad.
It's too bright here.
Okay. Now I'm gonna mount the original cover back. And that's it. They're gonna mount this back. You gotta help me on this side. It's gonna protrude, you know, that metal.
Yeah.
Make sure you lock into those 2 latches right there. Let's see, that's it. Yeah, there you go. And then now we're gonna screw this back on. Right here, and then those 2 screws. This is a USA spec BT45 Toyota and Lexus. You got the microphone, you got a USB charging port, and then an auxiliary. This is for the iOS, and then this is 2 radio. What's optional? And then a dip switch.
I don't know. Let's read the thing.
GX470. What year is yours?
2006.
2003 to 2009.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Set the district, see page 5.